Hey y'all, welcome back. So I know it's been a while, but I'm coming to you for a new video. I know everybody's been getting their fall garden together. What things are you planting in your garden this fall? Are you doing a fall garden? Are you taking a break? How did your spring and summer season go for you guys? Mine was okay. It could have been better, but gardening is here and there. You may do good one year, next year may be bad. But hey, as the season goes, you just continue to figure out what to do different each time. So for I just wanted to touch up with you guys, and I am going to do a fall garden. What I'm going to do is radishes, bush beans, collards, of course, mustard greens, and carrots. I was doing something, and lettuce, but they haven't germinated. I planted my seeds, direct sowed them August 23rd, and only my collards and mustards came up, and radishes, and my bush beans, and I've got some carrots that have come up. So if you guys are going to do a fall garden, get those seeds down and ready to go right now. Don't wait no longer, so these plants can have established roots. And pretty much you want to do anything that can grow in cool weather and can withstand a cold freeze. And you want to get these seeds down and get a good root before your hard frost happens. And ours is usually October, toward the end of October. So I'm just got them down, and I'm happy they germinated. Hopefully I can keep these puppies out of my garden because they love to jump in that soil, and I don't know what they be looking for, but I ain't got nothing for them. Okay, so anywho, let's go over here to the garden and let me show you guys how it's looking so far. So here we have our radishes. That's probably a weed. Radish, and these are the bush beans that I am growing. Then over here, these are mustard greens and collard greens. Mustards, collards. I still have my watermelon in because I want to still try to get a watermelon, at least one. And here's where the carrots will be. Here's one. There's some. I'm gonna blame my puppies because there was a lot more. But yeah. Also, I'm still doing peppers. I started this because I got this raised bed from Target for $30. But yeah, 15 or 30, one of them. So I just started some bell peppers, and this is my basil that is starting to bolt. But all I'm doing is picking the flowers off and keeping them growing. And then I put lettuce on this side, but it hasn't did anything. So yeah, I'll meet you back. Alright guys, so I showed you my fall garden. I hope you do a fall garden, and I hope everything works out for you. Just get your seeds down so they can get good roots and establish a good home before the cold comes. And pretty much get your soil firm. Like if you're going to use the same soil that you had in the spring and summer, go ahead and put some fertilizer in there, re-amend that soil, turn it, and plant something different in that area. Don't plant the same thing you've already planted. So yeah, what things you can plant are leafy greens like kale, lettuce, collards, mustards, radishes, broccoli, anything that likes cool weather. Anything you can put in the spring, pretty much you can put in the fall. So thanks for watching, and come back and see me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.